Microsoft Outage has impacted Microsoft's Azure and Office 365 services worldwide, along with US airlines. A significant disruption in Microsoft's cloud services has caused flight cancellations and delays worldwide, including in India and the US. The Microsoft outage affected several airlines, grounding planes and disrupting flight operations across the world. Low-cost carriers Frontier Airlines, a unit of Frontier Group Holdings, Allegiant and Sun Country had earlier reported outages that affected operations. Frontier said late Thursday that it was in the process of resuming normal operations and that the ground stop had been lifted. Frontier said earlier that a major Microsoft technical outage hit its operations temporarily, while Sun Country said a third-party vendor affected its booking and check-in facilities without naming the company. Akasa Airlines announced that some of its online services will be temporarily unavailable at Mumbai and Delhi airports. The airline stated, due to infrastructure issues with our service provider, some of our online services, including booking, check-in, and managed booking services, will be temporarily unavailable. The airline further advised passengers with immediate travel plans to arrive early for manual check-in and boarding processes at the airports. We sincerely regret the inconvenience caused and want to assure you that our teams are working with our service provider to resolve the issue at the earliest, Akasa Airlines added. SpiceJet also reported technical issues, saying, "We're currently facing a technical issue in providing updates on flight disruptions. Our team is actively working to resolve this issue. We regret any inconvenience caused and will update you once the issue is resolved. Thank you for your patience and cooperation." Microsoft has confirmed that its cloud services are experiencing a global outage, affecting users in the US, Australia, India, and other regions. According to Down Detector, 59% of users are facing login problems, 22% are encountering issues with apps, and 19% with OneDrive. Microsoft outage has impacted Microsoft's Azure and Office 365 services worldwide, along with US airlines. Microsoft Global Outage underscores the significant reliance on cloud services in modern aviation operations and the widespread impact such disruptions can have on global travel.